Hi gentlemen, today we will continue our lesson, lesson 6, part 6.3, which is about protocol layers. In this part we will talk about layering of protocols. First layer, which is about application. In this layer, data is sent by a software such as web browser or an email client that communicate with the software of the receiver at the destination. This layer establishes protocol that will be used by two programs to communicate. So here we are talking about the programs of sender and receiver. The sender sends a message, for example, by using a software, and the receiver will receive this message also by using a software. This is called application. Here we have some protocol, SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, used by email client, POP, Post Office Protocol, used by email client, IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, also email client, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used by web browser and servers, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, allow to transfer files from one computer to other, VoIP, we took this before, Voice over Internet Protocol, carries telephone conversation over Internet. In second layer, layer number 2, door-to-door transport. In this layer, operating system split the message into packet, each numbered so they can reassemble in correct order. So the message here will be arranged in order to get to their destination. It also communicates with receiving device to find out how fast sending device can send data or how fast receiving device will accept the data. The device also agree whether receiving machine will confirm packet using transmission control protocol TCP or to save time to get the message of each packet. In layer number 3, our third layer, connecting sending device and receiving device require finding out exactly where each of them is on the internet by identifying their IP address. So if I want to send an email to someone, the other user will receive email by finding which IP address and which route will use to get the message to travel between them. The port the data will use to leave the sending device and arrive the receiving device is also identified on this layer. A computer port, what's a port? A computer port is type of electronic post box to which information is posted to your computer from internet. Purpose of this layer is to select the best path or way through network to send this packet to the receiver. In layer number 4 or fourth layer, this layer converts data sent into electrical signals by the second device. So the receiver will take data, change it, convert it into electrical signals, and post this message on the software of the receiver. Here also, the second device will understood the signals by using network card and LAN, local area network, so it can be sent to the internet through Ethernet cable or wireless. Here, if you see in this picture, we have two users, sender and receiver. Sender and receiver. First, in the sender, who send, for example, the data or information, we have application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network layer. Same also for receiver, who will receive the message. So the method of data transfer will be applied for both. Sender and receiver, same layers for both, and the message or data will be sent according to those layers. Sometimes, while we send a data or information, we will have some problems, for example, data corruption, message will not be sent, for example, according to internet, slow or fast. So some packet never make it to their destination. Sometimes the message will not arrive to their destination. This can be for several reasons. First one, they get lost following a route. So a way or a route for this destination will not be clear for this message, so the message will not arrive to their destination. Data collision, this packet reaches its destination or one of the router along its route to its destination at same time, or packet will be lost. Third one, header and the trailer data is corrupted. So we talked before, what do we mean by data corruption? If you still remember, data corruption means an error happened during sending a data or a message. So if 1 and 0 in the body of your data itself becomes corrupted, we said before, the message will be sent as binary message, not text message. So if we have here a problem according to this binary message, it's important that the receiving device identify this and ask sending device to resend the packet that has been corrupted, or if the message did not arrive complete as the sender sent it, so the sending device will ask the receiving device to resend the packet again to get complete message. A common way to work out if the packet has been corrupted. First one, sending device add up all the one it contains, and if the total is odd, set bit to 1, and if the total is even, set bit to 0. Receiving device then recount the number of 1 and 0 in the packet, identify parity bit. If the parity bit set by sending device same as the receiving device, thus here we should know data is not corrupted. If they are different, then The data has changed and it has been corrupted. This is what we have for this week, 6.3. Next time, I will give you some practice about this. Good luck.